Hello everyone. Welcome to my Outdoor Chef channel. Herb Fire. Your support means a lot to me. So, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications to stay updated with new videos. Movie camera bell. Thank you in advance, and enjoy watching. I have already cleaned, washed, and dried the fish, so I won't take up your time with that. Now, as you can see, I'm making cuts on both sides of the fish. This helps the inside cook more evenly and reduces the cooking time, allowing me to serve them faster. I'm going to sear the fish, so I usually use a cast iron pan. However, you can also use a different type of pan. A cast iron pan is not a must. White heavy checkmark pro tips. Fire heat the pan thoroughly. If you sear the fish in a cold pan, it will release its juices and won't get the right texture. Use a small amount of oil, add just enough olive oil to coat the surface of the pan. Using too much oil can cause frying instead of searing. Hourglass with flowings and let the pan get hot enough. After adding the oil, wait until the pan is properly heated. If you don't hear a sizzling sound when placing the fish, the pan isn't hot enough. Don't flip too often. Instead of flipping the fish repeatedly, let one side develop a nice crust before turning it over. If you follow these steps, you'll get crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, perfectly seared fish. After beautifully searing both sides of the fish, let's add a few delicious finishing touches to enhance the flavor. White heavy checkmark aromatic flavors. Garlic, sprinkle finely chopped or crushed garlic over the fish. As it heats up, it will release a wonderful aroma. Green onion, add finely chopped green onion for a touch of freshness and a subtle sweetness. Herb parsley as a final touch. Sprinkle some chopped parsley to bring both color and a refreshing aroma. For extra flavor, tomatoes, add sliced or diced tomatoes on and around the fish. As they cook, they will release their juices, creating a light soy sauce. Butter, place small pieces of butter on top and around the fish. This will keep them moist and enhance the flavor. Final touch. Sprinkle a bit of sea salt and freshly ground black pepper over the fish. Add a touch of lemon zest and fresh lemon juice for a refreshing taste. If you want a more intense aroma, you can also add basil or cayenne. With these steps, your fish will turn out more flavorful, juicy, and aromatic. As a final touch, you can add hot pepper or other spices to suit your taste, enhancing the flavor. Spices like red pepper flakes, paprika, cumin, or oregano will amplify the fish's aroma. If you want a more intense flavor, finely chopped rosemary or fresh thyme leaves are also a great option. Cooking stage. Fire preheat your oven to 220 degrees Celsius. Place the fish in the heated oven and bake for about 20 minutes. The fish's outer layer should be lightly brown, while the inside stays tender and juicy. Adjust the cooking time according to the thickness of the fish. If you want the top of the fish to be crispy, you can turn on the broiler for the last 5 minutes of cooking. This way, your fish will have a crispy exterior, soft and juicy interior, and a perfect flavor. The fish is out of the oven and perfectly cooked. Now, you can serve the fish with various salad types and vegetable garnishes on the side. Roasted potatoes or vegetables would make a great option as a side dish. You can also enrich the meal with your favorite vegetables or rice as an additional side. Thank you for staying with us until this point in the recipe. If you subscribe to the Outdoor Chef channel, you'll be notified about our new recipes and videos. Also, feel free to share your thoughts on what kind of recipes you'd like to see on the channel. Keep making healthy, delicious, and enjoyable meals. You can continue exploring different recipes on our Outdoor Chef channel. No matter where you're watching from around the world, share your country with us in the comments, and we'll make recipes from your country and share them with you. See you in the next recipe, stay healthy, and may happiness be with you.